Hi, I'm Peter Templeoff from the greenhouse, and I'll be shooting a dish of smoked ostrich tartar with a oyster tomato salad for food24.com. Thanks. We got ostrich fan fillet here, which we're going to quickly dice up, and then we're going to smoke instantly. The reason why we're not slow smoking it is because we don't want it too smoky. So we're trying just to give it a really light smoke, which will really enhance the flavors of the ostrich, and it'll also bring out the oyster flavor. All right, so you want to give one last chop. That's about good. Now, we're going to get it in this little beaker here. All right, put it in quite loosely. And then we're going to get our smoking gun out. So you got a steady stream of smoke in there. Get it right in there on the ostrich. Take it anywhere, it's not too heavy, the smoke. We're just going to let that sit like that for a few minutes. Then the next step of the dish is we're going to make the horseradish espuma. 900 mils of tomato essence hot, 50 grams of fresh horseradish, and about 50 grams of prepared horseradish. And then into that hot mixture, we're going to add our bloomed gelatine. That's really important. You squeeze out all the liquid from the gelatine. See, it's quite pliable, quite elastic. Okay, so you're going to dissolve that into your horseradish essence now. And strain out the horseradish, any bits, because the bits unfortunately get stuck into the nozzle. So now we're going to get the essence with the gelatine into the cream siphon. So it's 1 liter exactly. Get the top on. Now we're going to charge it with our bombs. When you're using the 500 ml cream siphon, you only need 1 bomb. There's your second one. We're just going to chill it down. It has to be really, really ice cold before we use it. For our ostrich tartar, smoked ostrich tartar, bring it out. Really nice and smoky, not too heavy though, it's quite a light smoke. I'm going to put it in our mixing bowl. We're going to add all our tartar ingredients, which is diced up capers and gherkins. Mix it through. So we're going to add a little bit of red onions, a bit of Maldon salt, and then a touch of Mary Rose sauce, which is mayonnaise, Tabasco, Worcester, a little bit of tomato sauce, a touch of olive oil, and then some chives. Parsley is also good in here, but we're using chives today. It's going to go better with the oysters. Okay. So there's our tartar mix. Okay, so the tartar is going to be molded into a ring. Then we're going to make our salad, which is a salad of oyster and tomato, which will be popping onto the board, just dicing up nice and carefully. In go the oysters, some chives, thinly sliced radishes, and then we got a simple vinaigrette of just vegetable oil, mustard and salt. And we're going to place that on top of the ostrich. We're just going to add a touch of Maldon salt on top. Okay, so this is one of the dishes that we have on our Imagine tasting menu. We served it from an ostrich egg, which is set on a bamboo plate surrounded by fynbos. At the bottom of the ostrich eggshell, we're going to add some avocado. And then we have a nice avocado mousse here, which we're just going to pipe around the avocado here. That's it. On top of that, we're going to place our ostrich tartar. Take off the ring. It's sitting really nice and neatly on top there. On top of that, we've got some really fine croutons, just for a bit of texture. So there goes some croutons on there for some crunch. Then we've got our horseradish espuma. So we're going to get that on the top here. We're going to finish it off with a little bit of beetroot powder, a little coriander microherbs. And then we put the lid on, and off it goes to the table, and that's your finished dish. Thanks. Smoked ostrich tartar with oyster tomato salad and horseradish spoon.